You've heard this story before. You bring your car in for a routine service at your local shop, they give you a call back, something's wrong. Uh-oh, you better bring it to DownTown Toyota. I'm Jalona Singh, Assistant Service Manager at DownTown Toyota. And let's talk about servicing your Toyota. This is a Toyota Certified Platinum facility. So what does that even mean? That means that we are part of Toyota's safety standard at the highest benchmark worldwide. We have to go through this because the certification at a platinum level is not just earned, it is earned and re-earned year after year. Every standard has to be met time and time again. By continually going over our processes, making sure that our service efficiency is at the highest level, and ultimately making sure that the customers are always happy. At DownTown Toyota, this means you're receiving top performance from one of the Toyota dealers in this region. Less than only 10% of Toyota dealers have this certification. We are proud to have some of the best technicians in the country. That includes master technicians. But what isn't even a master technician? Master technicians from Toyota means that you have had rigorous training. Hundreds of hours of training, factory training through Toyota's universities. They're thorough through all systems, whether you be driving a hybrid, electric vehicle, any generation of Toyota, whether it be old or new, they know them thoroughly and they know them best. We're proud to have many master technicians at our facility. You want a master technician because these technicians have the highest certification level at Toyota. They've gone through all the training, they've gone through all the testing, they've gone through all the trials and tribulations, and they know your Toyotas inside and out. I can't tell you the countless times our technicians have fixed other shops' problems because they just weren't equipped, weren't trained, and just didn't have the expertise that these master technicians had. So with master expertise comes Toyota Genuine Parts. This is the highest quality standard of parts for your Toyota, specifically engineered and designed to keep your Toyota running as it should, as it's designed to be. While aftermarkets might be attractive, in the long run, it won't serve you well. Toyota Genuine Parts is factory warranted and backed by Toyota's promise. No surprises, no compromises. Let's go back to 1997, the birthplace of hybrid vehicles when this all started. This is where Toyota was and still is. We are the pioneers of this technology. We are the leading industry experts of hybrid technology. Let's talk about hybrids. Whether you're driving a Prius, Highlander hybrid, Corolla hybrid, RAV4 hybrid, we know your vehicle. Like those technicians I was telling you about, those master trained technicians, they've been training in these hybrids from the very start, and they know your vehicle best. That's why you want to bring your cars to DownTown Toyota and make sure that you're servicing those vehicles here. You want to make sure that these vehicles are being serviced by the experts who built them. In a busy world, we know how valuable time is. That's why as fast as you come in, we want to get you out and on your way. Especially in tire season, we know that things can happen. We know that there's emergencies. That's why we have stock parts, genuine parts for you to get your vehicle on the way, technicians ready to work on your vehicles and make sure to get you on your way. Look at all the happy customers who are getting their vehicle serviced in and out. We believe in complete transparency, trust. That's why everything is documented for proper records. You want to make sure that you have complete service records for your vehicle. That way you hold the most value for your vehicle. Everything is recorded nationally, so at any Toyota dealership you go to, it is there. In the bad scenario that you may get stuck somewhere else, all the work that's ever been done will show in Toyota's national database that was done at DownTown Toyota, and any other Toyota can help you as well. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Come on down to DownTown Toyota Service. Make sure you book your appointments and get your vehicle serviced with us. And don't forget, you are what drives us.